Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Baby Doge price prediction and Baby Doge news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Baby Doge in 2022. Baby Dogecoin is a new meme cryptocurrency that presents itself as a child of the original Dogecoin, Doge. Dogecoin indirectly influenced the emergence of many cryptocurrencies. All of them somehow copied the idea behind it, in the hope of repeating the same rapid growth in value that Doge experienced in 2020 and 2021. Baby Dogecoin and other projects such as Shiba Inu seek to increase the focus on attractiveness and memorability, as well as give investors the opportunity to make significant profits. Baby Dogecoin wants to provide the same value growth as well as speed up transactions. In addition, it rewards users with a percentage of each transaction fee. Baby Dogecoin follows a 6-step roadmap to maximize the value of the token. The project also aims to provide greater security for the liquidity-locked community of owners, and promotes the values of transparency, trust, community, and longevity. In order to engage the community as much as possible, the developers involved several third-party audits to dispel any doubts about bias and dishonesty. As with other meme cryptocurrencies, it is not entirely clear who is behind the creation and maintenance of Baby Doge. Baby Doge was built on Binance Smart Chain to remain compatible with the Ethereum ecosystem. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Baby Doge. Bitcoin. Ether see brief spike after Elon Musk says he isn't selling Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin got a quick boost on Monday after Elon Musk tweeted that he owns the digital tokens and isn't planning to sell. Bitcoin, which has fallen as much as 2.9% before Musk's tweet, briefly erased losses, before retreating again. Ether was up as much as 2.3%, before giving up some gains. Dogecoin's 3.8% gain over the past hour was the biggest among cryptocurrencies tracked by CoinGecko. As a general principle, for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home, or stock in companies you think make good products, than dollars when inflation is high. Musk, the world's richest person and the chief executive officer of Tesla Incorporated. Is no stranger to social media posts on cryptocurrencies. Last May he said he hasn't and won't sell any Dogecoin, a token created in 2013 as a joke, and for which he'd become a proponent. In October, Musk said he owns Bitcoin, Ether, and Dogecoin. This time around, he had posted a question on Twitter about the likely rate of inflation over the next 95% on the London Stock Exchange. The ruble has declined by roughly 50% against the dollar in just a week, a body blow to the Russian economy that would have long-lasting effects, even if it is a short-term dip, which it won't be. Trade restrictions are looking just as devastating. Taiwan has said it will halt semiconductor exports to Russia. Industry observers believe the Russian commercial air fleet, made up largely of Boeing and Airbus planes, is 2 to 3 weeks away from complete shutdown because of an embargo on parts. Apple Pay and other consumer payment services have been cut off for some customers, reportedly causing disruptions including slowdowns in Moscow's subway system. The total impact reaches down into the very guts of Russian society. It was seemingly not much of an exaggeration, then, when France's finance minister promised on Tuesday, March 1st, that we are going to cause the collapse of the Russian economy. All of this should be considered in a longer historical context. Until recently, such opportunities for disruption simply didn't exist. SWIFT was not created until 1978. As recently as the middle of the 20th century, international banking still regularly involved shipping large amounts of gold around on boats. Few years. Michael Saylor, the chief executive officer of MicroStrategy Incorporated. And a prominent Bitcoin bull, replied, "Weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt and value stocks to scarce property like number Bitcoin will intensify. It is not entirely unpredictable that you would reach that conclusion," Musk retorted. MicroStrategy took a $147 million impairment charge for the fourth quarter, as Bitcoin's price drop forced the company to write down its holding. Next, news about WorldCoin pulls out of numerous countries amid data privacy concerns, technological challenges. Major crypto exchange Coinbase-backed startup WorldCoin has decided to stop operations in at least 7 countries as a result of intensifying logistics challenges that are impacting the company's launch plans. The company is advancing a project to distribute crypto to every person on the planet by photographing everyone's eyes and imaging their eyes. This is meant to help WorldCoin ensure that the crypto is distributed fairly. To date, the startup has managed to amass images of the eyes of hundreds of thousands of persons in some 20 countries, but issues with local contractors and regulators, as well as technological challenges, recently forced the company to suspend its work in numerous nations, Bloomberg reported. Alex Blania, co-founder and CEO of WorldCoin, said in a recent interview that the encountered setbacks are the result of very aggressive testing for the startup, which has grown from 10 to 100 employees in the past year. "You're still talking to a Series A company, not an Uber," the chief executive said. "Things are not perfect. WorldCoin's ambitious venture has attracted more than United States dollars $1 billion in investments by a number of heavyweight companies and investors including Andreessen Horowitz, LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman, and Coinbase's venture capital branch. The founding team includes the former head of the Silicon Valley business incubator Y Combinator, Sam Altman. Despite its modest workforce, the startup serves as the custodian of sensitive biometric data collected from some 450,000 persons across the globe, raising questions about WorldCoin's capacity to ensure sufficient data protection. 3 of the company's staff members who asked not to be named said that WorldCoin's departure from some regions has put its contractors in a stressful position, forcing them to deal with users concerned that the startup scanned their eyes and left. Meanwhile, Blania claims that, in the coming weeks, his firm aims to open source a significant share of its. We will bring you the latest babydoge price prediction for 2022, 2025, and beyond, and we will help you. We will cover everything from how babydoge differs from other currencies, in that it handles most of the inherent difficulties of the blockchain, to babydoge price predictions for the next 10 years until today. Babydoge price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, the price of babydoge will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $0.00000000 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.00000000 with a maximum price of $0.00000000 for 2022. Babydoge price prediction 2023. The value of babydoge will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2023 is bullish. Babydoge is expected to reach a maximum bid of $0.00000001 by the end of 2023, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of babydoge will eventually rise. Thus, the predicted average price of babydoge will be between $0.00000001 and $0.00000001 expected in 2023 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, babydoge's maximum price ranges from $0.00000001 to $0.00000001 for 2023. Babydoge price prediction 2024. Babydoge has a huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in babydoge, the price could rise much higher. By 2024, it may reach a maximum value of $0.00000001. Babydoge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2024 could end with an average price of $0.00000001, a minimum price of $0.00000001, and a maximum price of $0.00000001. Babydoge price prediction 2025. For a long-term forecast of the babydoge price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of babydoge will rise to around $0.00000001 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $0.00000001 with a minimum price